Sorry, nice microphone. Mm. So this really have more to go down. Put that limit right there. Aim for this. 1 minute time frame. Put in a smaller lot. In the meantime, 0.01. TP high. $100. Come on, push, guys. Push, push, push. Upside, guys. Upside to the buy. See? Look at this. Look at this wick right here. This week, if you caught it from this week right here, your entry is sniper entry. Look at it going up. It's gonna come back to the entry. That's where I'm going to put in the bigger lot size, 0.01. When it comes back to this here, right here. Because it just broke out, it will come back to the entry. As you can see here, it did the same thing. It break out, go up, come back down here, come back even lower, then go up. So we're doing the same thing that the market did. We're not going against it. We're doing what it did. On the daily time frame, it's even a buy. To come back on this level. No, I don't want to put too much of these on my charts. I just want to keep it simple. Let me see where it's at. It's gonna come down to this one. I wanted to fill this one before going up. It's now up $11, $12, 0.01 lot. Good thing about this period too, you can put your stop loss at break even already, and it's just right there. So I can break even on this already, and this hasn't gone like way up yet. Now gold is going to open in a few hours. Hey, gold is like unpredictable right now. And it's so volatile, like you will make this $1,000 in a zero, like in minutes, like quick. It moves so fast right now because of the war. And this week right here just kind of identify that it was a buy, but I don't know why these two candles come back down here. So it can do something like wait, hold on, let me see what the previous candles were doing. I mean, it's been buying, so I mean bro, not gonna lie, bro, gold is confusing at this point, bro. I cannot read gold right now. It's been buying for a while though. It's been buying. That's all I can say for sure. It's been buying. It went and retest back this high right here, and it's now going up, as you can see. But gold is something that can go like this. Look at the arrow. You see it go like this? This big wick of candle come back in the zone, continue to consolidate, and just do something like this. Come back to this line and just floor. Like it can do both. It can just go up above, touch the line, and continue to the upside. But it can just stay under, just reach it, don't wanna break it, and just come back down, bro. So I wouldn't advise anyone to trade gold right now. Gold will always buy. Yes, it will always buy, but if you enter and you do not get a good entry, it will blow your account before it actually buy. Bro, gold is very volatile right now. You see when the market open, you just see these lights changing. At the top, the sell and the buy just keep changing. Gold is like fast right now. Your account will blow in like 1 minute. This $1,000, if I just put a 0.1 lot, a 0.1 lot in this and said yes, buy. No, the market can do something like this, bro. See, I'm buying it from here. Alright? Buying it from there. The market can just open and be like, you know what? I don't want to open the market here. Come way down here, bro. Way down here. Create a big gap. That's how gold move, bro. Gold can create some big gap in the market. Then you just see it do something like this. Come back. Hold on, let me use the arrow. take its time come back to the zone that you entered because it want to fill the gap. Yeah, it always want to buy, bro. Gold is just going to go up eventually, but you need a good entry, bro, because you wouldn't be at this high and said, okay, let's go for a buy. No, bro, that's like gambling, bro. That's crazy. You don't want to be at this high and be like, no, let's go up. That's why gold right now is very risky, bro. Very risky because you need to get a good entry. People like some big traders that's been holding it from way back. Now those guys are up. If you just enter like up here, you just gotta scalp a quick 200 to 1,000 or something. But you can't be in it for long. Like you wanna hold for days. You bro. I can't wait for the market to open though, say I'll see. Because even this wick out candle right here, if you said, all right, let's buy from here, because you know that's gold is buying, so you're gonna want to buy. Had a scalp a week or so back that ended running for 7,000 pips. Wow. Wow, that's all I gotta say, bro. Wow, good for you, bro. But anyways, that's it for gold, bro. I just don't wanna mess with gold in time like this, bro. See the war, bro. The war has a big impact on this market, bro. If you can just do like this, let me show you something real quick. Come around here, go in this. Hold on. You go in this and just cancel off these market, bro. Because in a time like this, you don't want to be trading them. Hold on, let me see what's happening. You see, guys, it's gonna come back here. It's going to come back to entry. And when it come back to the entry, fill this and continue to the upside. But I don't think it will just take this little reverse and go up high. It will definitely come back because it just changed the character here. Come up more. Still didn't even give me a good confirmation that it still wanna go up, but I think it will go up. It's doing like the same thing here. It just makes some low lows, higher high, low lows, higher high, and it's continuing up. But it did retest back here. So the retest that it take here, why not take an entry? Continue going up. But it won't just go straight up. It's doing like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's what it is like. Alright, look, you see it's pushing. It's gonna come back here or even lower, like to the line. And then if it breaks this line, no, that's something to reconsider. But I'm watching it though. Watching it, guys. It's currently in a trend though. As you can see, it's making lower lows and higher highs. It's in a trend. And you see this candle right here, how it's wicked out. You can see it's getting really wicked out. So I know that when the new horror candle come in, it will be something like this. You'll burn somewhere about here at this position, then continue. If it breaks this line right here, it's invalid. But we're watching it. So banks will liquidate their position. No stop loss. No, bro, no stop loss as it, because this trade is basically at entry. Like, I'm just watching it. If I'm leaving the trade now, I will set a stop loss. But I'm watching it, bro. When I'm watching the trade, I don't really need a stop loss. I know when it's invalid or not. You see this entry right here is a tight stop loss. It won't get away from me. You see it's going down? I told y'all it's gonna come down here, but we don't want it to break this line right here. If you break this line right here and close, it's basically disrespecting the trend. It's not staying within the trend. Show me that yes, it's in a trend. Look at this beautiful pattern. No, it will be like going out of boundaries. So we're watching this trend right here. We don't want it to break it. I enter here and my stop loss would be here. So let me show you. Stop loss would be here. $10. $10.31. Yeah. I'm gonna just set it so that y'all can see that that's the stop loss. And this pair is very volatile also, guys. One lot size can make you rich from this market, bro. Like one lot size from right here to this high is $2,000, bro. VIX, this is volatility 25. To find the VIX pair, just go in this volatility indices and you see them in here. VIX 10, 25, yeah. Wow, it eject right at my entry. But as I said, it will come lower. So you'd want to wait for it to come low. Let me delete some of these positions. Wait, no. Bro, I deleted the trade that I'm in, bro. No way. That was a mistake. But it will come down back. It will come down back and give me an entry. Bro, I messed up. It's good though. Just delete that. Delete that also. And it will come back here to give me an entry. Let me see the other. So this. This seems like a head and shoulder. The head in the middle, shoulder. So this. If I'm going in this market more like look like a sell to me. Even though it's a buy market, this just give me like a sell vibe. But you do not want to be in this while it's selling. You want to go up with it because it's a buy market. You don't want to sell in a buy market, bro. That's like going against the trend. But it looks so much like a sell though. It looks so much like a sell. As you can see here, the big long candle in the middle. Look to the left, you see like a shoulder. Look to the right, a bit of a shoulder. Sometimes it doesn't give like the perfect head and shoulder, but you got to look and just be like, nah, is this like a head and a shoulder right here? Like going down, making a little hand. I wouldn't say it would come back to this level. More like, hold on, let me see. Under this, yeah, this. Probably come back here. For people to can get that entry. But guys, as I said, I wouldn't advise y'all to trade this pair right now because of the war. Not only are they volatile, but they move so quick. Wait, what's happening? Wow, you see that, guys? It almost filled my entry. As I'm gonna put two of these lots in. I'm gonna put two of them. So it's 0.01, 0.01. Alright, so that filled out my position there. And that's a big lot size for this pair. Like 0.01, it might seem small, but it's not really. Like for me to hold this back to this high, that's $760. And this market moves quick. Like you can reach there like give it like 2 hours. Aiming for like $1,000 though. Hey, chill. Don't go down too far now. Chill. Yes. Up. Oh, that's what we're talking about. You didn't feel this one though. You didn't feel it. If you didn't, no problem. As long as it's going up, we're good with it. Hmm. Come on now, stay within the trend. Let's see if the daily time frame has changed. No, it's still looking alright. And TP is above. I would say first TP is here though, a $500. But the last TP that I would aim for is like this level. They're both filled now. Now, as I said, I don't want it to close under this. I don't want it to close under it. It's rejecting it already still, but I don't want it to close under it. If it closes under it, that means it's not ready to buy as yet. It's gonna go down more. But it's rejecting, so we're just watching it. So I'm not really going on the other peers right now. I'm just currently watching it. Or let's not watch it, because if we watch it, it's gonna be like we're worrying about it. Let's not worry it. Let's go on something else. The I'll trade VIX volatility 75. It's a good pair. It's a really good pair, guys. But at the same time, it's a very volatile pair at times. Looking like a bit of head and shoulder here. Guys, let me show y'all something real quick. You do what the market do already. You see this? Look at the arrow. It came up. Make a high right there. Come back down. Make another high. Come back down. Make another high. Over here. Come back down. What do you think this market is gonna do next? You think this market is gonna be like, alright, let's just go to the sky? No. It's gonna even want to come back down more. So you got to watch this level right here. This is a level that you want to keep an eye on. This level right here. Because it keeps coming down to here and won't break it. It's not getting a proper closure. As you can see, it's just pure wick right down here. So that we're trend line there. Hold on. Where's that? Oh, yeah. It was on the... Wait, what's happening? Oh my gosh, we're in deep reds though. We're in deep red. We're watching it still. It still hasn't gone like far. We're watching it. Guys, it's not looking so good though. It's not looking good. Guys, please to like the live and subscribe to the page. Almost 200, bro. As I said it. We're just gonna hold, bro. I'm put some stop loss on them, cause I don't want them to get out of hand. Because right now I'm not going with my strategy. It already break the trend line, which I should have exit here, but I'm still in because I really think that it's gonna come back up. So it's like holding a trade and keep moving your stop loss. A trade ever like come close to your stop loss and you're just, nah, you're not hitting my stop loss today. Let me just move it down more. That's something you should not do. That's not a good thing to do, but it can help at times because it can reverse, but it's not something to really do. It's like not sticking to your plan or to your strategy. But as I said, guys, it's a lot of week at this era, so we're watching it. I don't really think it's going to close under these weeks. If it close underneath them, it's definitely not ready. Close the trades. That's a bearish trend. Trading against the trend. Bro, look at the higher time frame, bro. Look at the higher time frame. Is this a bearish trend, bro? Look at the higher time frame. If I was looking for a quick scalping, then no, I would know that it's not ready to buy. But I'm holding, bro. I'm looking to even hold to this high, bro. Holding the trade. Like set it and forget it. Hold. So even if it wants to come down here to these wicks and go up back, holding, bro. From the higher time frame, you can see the structure to bearish. Yes. Now someone is talking, bro. But on the lower time frame, you'll see like, oh, it's going down. Let's go for a sell, bro. That will mess you up, bro. You got to look on the daily time frame to see what the daily is doing. Then you look at the 4-hour time frame. Which the 4-hour time frame, I'm not gonna lie, it seems like it wants to sell down even more before. But you see, when I go on the 15 minutes time frame, just look at these wicks. Look how many times. Look how many times it came to this area and reject. It just keep on going up. This where I should be entering. But nah, yeah, I was a little impatient, so I guess I entered a bit too early. But it's reversing now, guys. Let's stop worrying. Why are we worrying now? How can I make someone? What? How can I make someone? I have 40 pound. 40 pound, bro. Bro. Alright. Which broker do you use, bro? What broker you use? Y'all trade Jump. Jump is a serious pair, guys. It's a very serious pair. Hey, a matter of fact, let me come off it. Because Jump is too serious right now. Market is opening for gold in a few hours. What are you guys thinking to do? Any gold trader in here? Any gold trader in here want to give me a few tips? Hey guys, I've been watching some gold trader and TikTok, bro. I don't know where these guys come from, bro. But they're just like, alright, what time frame you look for it? Bro, I look on the daily first, not gonna lie. Like, I'll be on the 1 minute time frame, but I'll just go like this and say, let me see what this is doing. And when I look at that, I will go down to the 4-hour time frame and try to mark up the chart, mark the structures that it leaves behind, where it can retest back before going up or going down. And I'll look for what trend the market is in on the higher time frame. Because you can see how nice sell trading, guys, but through this market, gold has been buying. It's a buy, not a sell. So you can even be like, you buying down here, you selling down here. No, bro, there'll be a short sell, tight SL and good TP. On the 30 minutes time frame, the market what? On the 30 minutes time frame, market is about to close below the wicks. Oh, I got stopped out, bro. I got stopped out. Did it close? Did it close under? Still didn't close. The new 30-minute time. The new 30-minute time frame didn't burn. So it's still in the zone. But it did break the trend line though. It did break the trend. It's not really in the trend anymore. If it was to come here, no. That's not giving me a good confirmation that it's still in the trend. It definitely break. It's definitely looking like it's gonna break below. But we're watching it still. Probably give us a next entry. If I see it leaving more wicks, because as you can see it been leaving wicks at this era. So I'll see it leave more wicks. That's the confirmation and the change of trend, the change of structure that I would look for. But I wasn't waiting, guys. So I wanted to learn from that also, guys. That wait. I hope y'all not taking the trades that I'm taking now, guys. I hope y'all not taking these trades that I'm taking. Please don't take these trades that I'm taking. Okay, guys. Bro. And look, it's rejecting, guys. I'm telling you, this is going to buy. It's going to buy, but I'm just really waiting for it to see if it's going to give a good rejection here. But yeah, hey, the selling momentum is really strong. Like these sellers are some really big bodybuilders, guys. They're not no little pushover. They've been holding the market. When you know how our candle come in, we'll see. If it's under, leave it. If it's going above, you can put in a small lot size. Me about that. 91 is very volatile as well. Look on the daily. Whoa. So a sell market, guys. And it's a very volatile market. Let me just do a quick markup on it. Oh my gosh, bro. These are some era where I entered for buys and just got out, but because like this consolidates a lot. On the higher time frame it looks like nothing, but it is something. You got in and for like 15 minutes the market is just at a zone. Keep coming down, going up back, put you in profit, come back to your entry, bro. That's like a roller coaster trade you don't want to be in. As you can see, it's been consolidating a lot at this era. It needs a breakout now. It's been consolidating for a while. Like days. Not just few minutes or few hours of consolidating. It's just days. Like, come out of the zone now. Like, go up or down, something. No, I was in the 25 honest. Volatility 25 honest, but it's not ready. Alright, guys, look. I'm telling you, you just got to wait on the trade. You see, it's making the wick here to do like this. Look. This candle was way down here now, and it didn't want to stay down here. It come back all the way up here, then give us a nice candle to the upside. I'm telling you guys, you just gotta be patient. If you look on the time, anytime the new hour candle begins, you will see what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna jump in as yet though, guys, because I don't want it to hate me out and just continue downside. Let me read this message real quick. I use an automated trading system designed around market conditions and advanced algorithm logics. It completely avoid high risk methods such as hold on, what are held in strategies DM. That sound like a bot, bro. That sound like a bot. Like you trade with bot. I don't really use bot. Bots are like higher risk to me. Cause I'm gonna watch a bot take a trade from me. I'm gonna be like, bro, nah. Like a person would really have to like be in person and show me like, alright, this is how the bot work. You put it on the matter of fact, guys. I use Deriv broker. Deriv broker is what I use. Now, what are you guys going to tell me? Look at this big wick. Look at this big wick that the market leave right here. You had 1K. Bro, don't watch it. Don't watch it, bro. Don't watch it, please, bro. Bro said I had 1K, like, bro. You lost 400, bro. Chilling, bro. Chilling. We wouldn't enter this again, though, until the hour time frame close. Soon as the hour time frame close, could look. What's your risk management, bro? How do I explain to you now? All I'm going to say, bro, as some people would say, bro, no risk, no Ferrari, bro. No risk, no Ferrari. So if you want Ferrari, bro, you got the risk Ferrari. Or risk a Mini Coupe and win a Ferrari. Are you buying or selling? I'm looking for buying. I'm looking for buys. And on the lower time frame, this looks so much like a sell. But on the higher time frame, it's a buy, bro. This is a buy. Telling you, bro, this is a buy. But I'm waiting on the candle. Yes, I'm trading trend lines. I'm going with the trend. Going with the trend, bro. Tell us about your strategy. My strategy, bro. Just go on the market, bro, and say, alright, listen, this market is not gonna sell, bro. Buy. Hey, let me stop joking, bro. Let me stop joking. Hey, you know, before I start trading like this, I was like, listen. I was like, alright, listen. When I just normally go on the trade, I'm using 1 minute time frame. Like back then, I use 1 minute time frame, and I'll just be like seeing all these little candles and just even this right now. I would just be in this and be like, let me just click something, click sell or buy. Don't know nothing, no markup, no nothing. Just go in the market, bro. That's not the right thing to do. Not. You analyze the market. Look. You look on the higher time frame first. You see these VIX market, they love to do like some double bottom, at times double top, or to even like respect trend lines. They respect trend lines a lot. You just got to look out for them. Liquidity sweep also. When they sweep liquidity, what time frame you look at? Daily time frame, bro. I look at daily time frame, then the hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. Hey, all I gotta say though, I know this is going to leave the wick on this hour candle. I'm just waiting on the hour candle to close. It's already leaving the wick. You see, just like what it's doing here. It already did it. So why it won't do it again? Why would it just break and want to come down all of a sudden? Respect what? Respect the trend line. What are you talking about, bro? What do you mean, bro? You sound like a beginner. Bro, get $600. Come and let's see who can build it fastest, bro. I will invite you on the live, bro. Come on. Alright, listen. Get $500 and let's see who can build it fastest, bro. You wanna do that? Let's do it, bro. This guy. Invite me next time. Let's work, man, bro. No, you message me, bro. You're on my live, bro. You message me. And like the live, guys. Y'all just watching, bro. Not even liking the live or doing anything, bro. This guy, James what? James Steele. Let's see if you're Steele, bro. Let's see if you're actually Steele. Invite you, bro. Hold on. Not gonna lie, guys. I'm like kinda happy and waiting for gold to open up. I want to see if it's gonna leave some invalidation in the market to retest back or to come back to. So I'm really just waiting. Gold is opening 6 o'clock for my time. Well, 6:05 because I'm using Derv broker. I'm new here. Hey, I'm trading. That's what I gotta say. So Mr. James, where is Mr. James? Yeah, I use Derv broker. Derv broker are actually nice, guys. They do pay out real quick. Like when you withdraw, you get them like in minutes. Like I withdraw already. Like say I'll withdraw now, which is 3:51 my time, and I'll get my withdrawal like 3:55. They withdraw really quick. I never had a really bad experience with them, but it's not between me and y'all. It's not really good to use Deriv to trade gold because it has terrible spreads. It has not good spreads. Like the spreads are not good. That you try to enter here. No, it doesn't want to enter here. It enter you up here and put you in loss already. So you're already down in loss and you're trying to enter here. It's not good to use Deriv trade gold. Which stock you trade? As I said already, guys, in these times you don't want to trade no stock. Pure volatility trades. Because the war is happening, the market is so manipulative. You had $1,000 and lost 415 minutes. Bro. Alright, if a person have $1,000 and they lost $400 in 15 minutes. Don't you think they can make but that like in that same 15 minutes? Is oil, it's oil, right? I see oils, right? Yeah, bro, oils, gold, platinum, bro. You don't wanna be trading these right now, bro. The war is affecting this market, bro. That's why I just trade most like volatile pairs, like these volatility pairs. I mean, I'm not looking at too much market right now. I don't wanna confuse myself. Just staying right here. From gold to VIX 25. Yes, war, they gives problem. Yes, bro. You see, isn't it a great time to buy the dips? Buy the dips, bro. That's what I'm saying. Normally you would buy the dips and you'd be like, yes, you're winning, bro. The market is so serious since the war, bro. You try to buy the dips. Normally dips you will catch and buy to the upside, bro. The market just make one big candle, bro. One big candle take you out. I'm telling you, bro. Alright, look. I'll find something like that. I'll find something like that. I was trading gold the other day on live, you know. I was trading gold on live the other day. Let me try to find the entries. Alright, hold on. Nah. I'm trying to. Alright, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this now. Market has been going up, as you can see here. Because remember, you know, gold is just buy, bro. From you talk about gold, you just want to say buy. You don't want to really look for no sells in gold. Gold is just buy, bro. Gold is sometimes making some things like spikes. I use derivative broker. You see it go up here, you'll feel like, oh yes, it's going to continue to go up, man. It's ready. No, bro. Gold is making some. All right, look at this. See this? Up, down, up, down, up. Not giving you any more breakage to the upside. It retests, but this era 3 times. 3 times I didn't break and give a close above here. It just drop. It just drop and come back. And you see, it eventually went up, but you don't want to get the entry wrong. That's the thing. So gold is definitely gonna go up, but you don't want to get the entry wrong. If I had entered from here and feel like yes, it's gonna go up now. Look at this. I would have to be in $400 drawdown before I can actually get. Hold on, I'm going to higher time frame. I would have to be in like 4. Hold on, not even 4. It's still going. I would have to be in $700 drawdown before actually getting some profit. That's not no good win ratio, bro. That's like, that would be like I'm risking $100 to make $10. Like what? Does that sound alright to you? You haven't traded it, you won't know. Hey, James, shake my hand, bro. Shake my hand, bro. Through the phone. Shake my hand, bro. Gold is shit. I wipe on my account. Now my balance is, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You see gold blow this man account right here. Anyways, you can come to these pairs, bro. Come to volatile pair. VIX. Come to VIX pair, bro. You can grow even $6 there. Let me show you. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all a $7 that I didn't. Yeah, y'all can see. It's no problem. Y'all can see. Let's see, guys. It's no problem. Don't look too much on my face now. Hold on, guys. Bro, why is my like this, bro? I can't find it right now. $0. Oh. Yo, what type of glitch is that, bro? Why's my phone lagging like that? Yeah, $6. Whoa, show me, bro. No, for real, like you can grow $6 in weeks. Like actually, bro, I'm not trolling. Bro, I really need to find this picture to show you. I have $6. You talk too much, bro. You talk too much, bro. Like, I'm not holding you hostage here, bro. You can leave, bro. Nothing, bro. It's actually nothing, bro. You can leave life. I'm not holding you hostage here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. How much is that? How much is that? $7.23 US dollars.